You've used class extends. But do you really know what super does under the hood? The super keyword only makes sense inside a class that extends another. When a child class inherits from a parent, JavaScript needs a way to initialize the parent's portion of the object, and super is exactly that mechanism. Calling super in a derived constructor invokes the parent class constructor directly. Take dog extending animal. Super in dog's constructor triggers animal's constructor, setting up the parent state before dog can add anything of its own. This is the foundation of class inheritance in JavaScript. There is one strict rule you cannot break. You must call super before accessing this in a derived class constructor. Skip it, or reference this first, and JavaScript throws a reference error at runtime. The reason is fundamental. Super is what actually creates this object. Until super has run, this simply does not exist yet. JavaScript enforces this to guarantee the parent is always initialized before the child can use it. Super is not limited to constructors. You can also use super.method name to call a method defined on the parent class, even if the child class overrides it. This is the key to extending behavior rather than completely replacing it. In this example, dog overrides speak but first calls super.speak to get the parent's output, then appends its own message. Is clean composition. You reuse parent logic without duplicating a single line. Super wires child classes to their parents. Call super to invoke the constructor, always before this, and use super.method to extend rather than erase parent behavior. Nail these 3 rules, and inheritance becomes your friend. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.